Hi friends, welcome to my channel Facts by Hims. In today's video, we are going to discuss some interesting facts about our dreams. Inventions based on dreams. Our dreams are subconscious thoughts of our life and its related life events. In scientific community, many inventions were based on the dreams. During research time, many scientists subconsciously found the true designs and views of their subject of invention they were working at. The examples are AC motor, which was invented by Nikola Tesla, periodic table by Dmitri Mendeleev, genetic helix by Watson, and atomic model of electron, proton and neutron. Increased brain activity. We generally think our brain works more at the daytime, but actually the brain works more at the time of sleep and in dreaming. Brain works at subconscious level during sleep. We all dream, but most don't remember. We all dream in some way, but most of people easily forget their dreams when awake. As a result, people claims they don't dream, but actually we all dream. Lucid dreams. There is a state of dreaming mind in which we know that it's a dream or I am dreaming, and knowingly we can control our dreams. We can command the way dreams happen to us. With practice and training, we can master lucid dreamings. It's a good way to have dream. Sleepwalking. Many dreamers walk in sleep or in dream. In their dreams, such people stands on their feet and walks to distant places, probably even managing obstacles on their way. But when they awake, don't remember how he or she reached there. REM, rapid eye movement, as said, is the movement of eyes during sleep when we dream. Multiple dreams per night. When we sleep, there are phases of sleep. During shallow sleep phase, dreams are very common. We see multiple dreams during single night sleep, but mostly we forget. Average person in his or her whole lifespan spends nearly 6 years in dreams. Not all people see their dreams as they see life with their eyes. Many people dreams in black and white, and there is no color for their dreams. Dreams are symbolic. Our dreams are our subconscious mind's thinking, and subconscious mind is not logical. It's very deep creative mind. So our dreams are many times symbolically related to some our life events, subject or matter pointing out at. Dreams are premonition. Many times our dreams are premonition, future based, but we do not recognize them generally. Sometimes we remember our dreams later if events related to that dream happens in future. If someone is in dream, he or she cannot tell proper time and cannot read properly. It's a fact. We dream daily, but within 5 minutes of waking up, about 50% our dreams are forgotten. Dreams tend to be negative. Most of the time, dreams tend to be negative due to previous anxiety, anger, or any suppressional reason. So, these were 15 facts about our dreams, friends. Thanks for watching.